Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Monday cleaning routine. We've got a lot of things to do, so let's get started. Today I'm going to start in the family room. I'm going to fluff these pillows up, dust a little bit, and vacuum.
I've tried to explain how much you really mean.
Now that I've tidied up, I'm just going to be using a damp towel to dust up the surfaces in the family room. It's not too bad. I've been keeping up pretty well with my dusting, so this is just a quick job.
We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game. If I let you in, I want you to stay. And I hope that I'm not wrong. And you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it.
I'm putting a few drops of this Clary Sage essential oil into my vacuum cleaner. I've learned this trick from watching a couple other YouTube videos, and I love it. It makes the entire room smell fresh and clean. So I'm probably going to be doing this a lot more often.
Gotta know that you want it. 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 Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it. Gotta know.
Now moving into the den area. This is where the kids play and where the cat toys usually end up. There was a ton of random stuff everywhere, and it took me a while to pick everything up. But after I pick everything up, I'm going to wipe down the leather on the couches. I'm going to vacuum up the couch, fluff the pillows, and also vacuum in this room.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done and spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night. All in or nothing, not gonna stop. Dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah. It's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket.
the kitchen, I need to put these dishes into the dishwasher and get that started. I'm going to be using Cascade dishwashing detergent, but I'm also going to spray some of the Method degreaser in crisp apple into my dishwasher directly on the door and on the dishes. I feel like it gives the dishwashing detergent a little more power, and it also cleans the interior of the dishwasher at the same time. If you try that, let me know what you think. I find that it really helps me keep up with the maintenance of the inside of the dishwasher.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, won't never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket.
In my office.
They don't know,
I still like using these.
we'll never know.
I feel like this just really spreads the
When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
Here I'm going to be putting some clothes in the dryer, and I'm going to be starting a load of my wash. I'm going to pour it all into the washing machine and use a cold setting. I use Tide, and I think it has a touch of Downy, and I'm going to be using Clorox for colors since this is a cold wash. Doing laundry is one of my least favorite chores. I have a ton upstairs that I need to fold and put away. I'm thinking of doing a fold or laundry day with me. If you are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. I have about 4 baskets upstairs waiting, and with this one, after it's done, it'll be 5th.
The way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
For the kitchen floor, I'm just going to be doing a quick vacuum using my Dyson. I love this machine, but it does have to be charged quite frequently. It only lasts me about 15 minutes before I have to put it back on the charger, but it makes my life a lot easier to be able to just use it really quickly for small areas, and as long as I remember to put it back on the charger, all is good. Because I wasn't paying attention, I slammed my funny bone right into the corner of the countertop and it hurt like crazy, but I pushed through the pain and I kept vacuuming. Look at me, I'm such a pro.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it up?
For the downstairs bath, I'm just going to be using the Method antibacterial spray. I love this, I use it all the time, and I'm going to wipe down the countertops and the inside of the sink. Then I take the Clorox disinfecting wipes to wipe down the faucet and the handles, the doorknobs, and a couple other spots in the bathroom that need to be disinfected. Once the laundry is finished, I'll put a fresh towel.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you?
So this is all I had time to do before the kids came home from school today. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you did and became a part of my YouTube family. If you like watching cleaning motivation videos, then please click the like button. Also, please leave me a comment in the section below what your favorite cleaning products are. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!
Just keep on doing